A video about my green car. Oh, oh, there it is. Hills, rock climbing, San Francisco style. Oh yeah, with the family. What's in there, Max?
Can somebody move back?
Two fish. One right there, one right there.
Max, move back for a minute, a second, please.
Yeah.
Just saying how steep this is. If I put it parallel with the curb, the video would be like this.
You see
That's how steep it is. So the top of the stairs is this house where you follow that little path and you lead it to the stairway that my car just went up, which is all the way down there. I have no idea how many stairs that is. It's hellacious. But then there's your view. And all these houses right here got these little pathway. Yeah, if you got a statue of a giraffe like that in your yard, you're doing alright. Or you could go up that way. Maybe that's way shorter to the road. I don't know. You're in good shape if you live out here. That's all I'm saying. Hey, baby.
It's a nice park.
It's a nice park.
It's a nice view from the swings. Ready?
Nice view.
Go faster then.
Go.
Okay? Got it?
I'm not gonna make it. That's positive.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, it's magic. I made it past it. No. No.
You want an easier way?
Oh, don't tell my viewers that. I want an easier way? Could have happened. Could have happened.
No, we've been
I'm
driving
king
it.
of the world. See it?
Yeah.